Good afternoon, YouTube. Shop Talk with Brett. A little bit of a quick update here. This is only going to be a short video, but I like the way I've done this here. The last shop video I did, remember I had things kind of a mess out here. I'm still in the process of doing it. I did get some of this cleared out here. Like I said, that stuff is going to go when the weather warms up. Hopefully I won't need the snowblower anymore this year because it's looking pretty nice for the next couple weeks. And I'll be able to get the grill out and stuff. And you see I moved my Time Master and everything. You'll notice that my cousin's big snowblower is gone. Well, I gave that back to her because we did have a bout with snow where she needed it. But the Time Master's taken its spot, but this spring I'll be getting it back. I'm going to store it again. But anyway, that's not the point of today's video. Decided to redo my carburetor bench. Since I got the new ultrasonic cleaner, I decided to clear this other bench off and have actual usable space other than just sitting at it cleaning carburetors and having not much space. We've got my chain grinder mounted here, which I showed you in the last video. And I got the shop lights on this time. We got a light for the chain grinder. That's nice. Stereo up there. I got a little fan. Come along here. All this nice open space now. Now that I got it cleared off. Outlets to use. And here's where I can clean carburetors now. You see I got my ultrasonic there. I got my little thing to dismantle the carburetors in. Plug for the ultrasonic right there. The bench grinder is right here. I could move it. I'm debating on here where to mount this vise. Whether I should put it here and put the grinder next to it, or put the grinder on the end and the vise next to it. I haven't decided yet. But let me know your thoughts on that. Because I'd like to be able to use that without obstructing it. And I wanted to mount the grinder I can move. I'm not going to mount it, but where to mount that vise. Whether put the grinder on the end and the vise in, or have the vise on the end. Either way, the vise needs to be mounted. But that's kind of the setup we have here. I've got new chemicals in the house. I'm going to probably be doing a review on it. I'm going to try the Simple Green Aircraft and Precision Cleaner, and I'll dilute it because I've heard that that's not corrosive to aluminum, but we'll find out. I've heard mixed things on it, but that's why I've got some dummy carbs to test it. But anyway, I got a nice place and I could sit down here while I'm doing something on this bench, fixing mowers or whatever. I can have something behind me now getting cleaned. And you saw this in the last video, the little Vivor ultrasonic. But I think that's a perfect spot for it right there. It's out of the way and I can use it. But, yeah, that ought to work out pretty good. I just thought I'd show you guys that. And hopefully this spring we'll be getting that stuff out pretty soon. I'm already anxious to start messing with mowers. I'm tired of the cold winter. Even though we haven't really had much of a winter, it's still enough that I don't like it because I can't stand cold. But that's another story. But anyway, I think that's going to work out good the way I've got that. And I think that's the perfect place for it. I got plenty of light. And it's out of the way. So we will see. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this brief little update. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave your thoughts on that vise placement in the comments. But remember, keep the comments respectful, because this is a family channel. So, with that being said, Hope you guys enjoy your afternoon. Most importantly, put your trust in the Lord. We'll talk on the next video. Shop Talk with Brett, signing out.